Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. This video guys will be working here on Chevy Cruze guys, and if you have sunroof, moonroof guys and you're trying to find the fuse for it because it doesn't work, stay with us, we'll explain where the fuse for the sunroof is guys on Chevy Cruze. We guys have more than 200 videos on this car. Why? Because our goal guys is to save you as much money as we can by providing all these videos to you. All we need guys in return, please give a like, subscribe and drop a comment below. Let us know what you like, what you don't and how we can improve the channel. That will mean a lot to us. Now let's go ahead guys, start on it. Okay, let me show you first quick. This is the Chevy Cruze 2015 model, but it should be the same procedure for the first generation from 2008 to 2016. As I said guys, most of the electrical videos will be on this channel, the mechanical videos will be on our main channel, Auto Repair guys, please check it out. You have guys, okay, let's open the hood quick. Okay, and I'm going to show you now. You have one fuse box next to the, next to the car battery, right here. And you also guys have one fuse box inside next to the steering wheel. Okay, this is your steering wheel and right here you have a fuse box. However guys, okay, the fuse for the sunroof is located in this fuse box only. It will make sense to be on the one inside, but it's not, it's here. So, let us guys show you what you need to do. This fuse box, it has three clips that we need to squish towards each other and pull it up. Perfect. Now guys, okay, you can see we have all the fuses right here. The fuse guys that we need to check is fuse number 34. So 34 guys, okay, is this fuse. Okay, let's come a little bit this way. This fuse right here, it's supposed to be a 25 amp fuse. So we'll get the fuse puller. There is one clip here that you pull back and then you can pull the fuse puller out. We get it on top of the fuse, like that, locks, then hold it here and pull it out. Now if you want to remove it, okay, just press on the back and pull the fuse out. This guys, it's a clear fuse and it's easy to tell if it's burnt or not. In our case, ours is burnt. But in some cases you will not be able to. And what you can always do guys, you can use a voltmeter. Okay, this is amazing voltmeter for car diagnostic. It has the true RMS. Count 2000 counts, so check this thing out in the description of the video below guys for your convenience. So I have it set at continuity, and if that fuse is good, we should have a 0 on the screen. Okay, and what do we have? Nothing. Now I'll get a new fuse guys. Okay, check out where we get all our fuses from in the description of the video below. These fuses guys, unbelievable price. Okay, that's a 25 amp fuse for the whole pack. It's super affordable. Now I'll test this fuse. Okay, see what happens. We're going to get 0 on the screen, so this is definitely a good fuse. And all we have to do from that point on, have to put it in. Don't forget to put your fuse puller in as well. And later, don't forget to install, okay, your cover for the fuse. So this is the whole video guys. Thank you. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.